Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download YouTube videos to Gallery. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This video is for both Android and iPhone users. The process is going to be the same for both devices, so don't worry about it. First, open up your Google Play Store or App Store, then search for YouTube and make sure that your app is updated to its latest version available. After that, open up your YouTube application. Now select the video that you want to download. Either you can select from the home page, or you can use the search bar and search for it. I'm going to select this one here, then click on this download button to download it. Once it gets done, simply click on your profile on the bottom right of your screen and choose Downloads. Now you can watch this video even without an internet connection. Similarly, if you want to download the video directly into your gallery, then again, click on your profile and select your videos. Now choose any of the videos that you want to download into your gallery, and then click on the dots appearing beside the video. From the drop-down menu, choose Save to Device. Your video will now be saved in your gallery, and that's it. So that's basically how you can download YouTube videos to Gallery. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.